How to log in Apple ID with another iPhone. Open setting and go to Apple account. Then here you can see use another Apple device. Press on use another Apple device and press on get start and just scan sorry just scan this code and it's saying getting ready. Now set up for me. Now here you can see the iCloud and all data are synchronized from old iPhone to your new iPhone or another iPhone. So you have to enter your passcode. Once you enter, so it's depend on your data size actually, and press on done. Now you can see my iCloud account is successfully logged in. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.